The first thing we're going to do is tune our ukulele, and for you to be able to do that, you need to know the names of the strings. The top string is G, then C, then E, then A. I'm on UkiBuddy, which is ukebuddy.com, and I'm just using their free ukulele tuner. We're going to play our G string, and if you look, you can see it goes to this peg. We're going to play it, and then we're going to adjust as we go. So ready? It's a bit high. This way. Now we're going to go to the C string, which is the one below, and if you follow this string, it goes to this one here. So it's going to play and adjust to get it in line. So we've got some background noise here from the children, but that's actually perfect. Next, we're going to go to the E string, which is this one, this peg at the bottom here. It's very important to tune your ukulele properly, because if you don't, none of the chords will sound right. And next we're going to go to the A string, which is the final one, and that's this peg here. So now you should all be in tune and ready to play. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to see you in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of the video, and let me know what you'd like to learn.